This is a video for our quiz review on matrices. So number 1 says there are many athletic events. Make it into a matrix. So I'm going to do the months. This is going to be March, April, and May. And then we're going to do track, volleyball, lacrosse, and tennis. So in March, there were 2 track meets, 5 volleyball games, 7 lacrosse games, and 2 tennis. In April, we've got 3, 7, 6, and 5. And in May, 3, 8, 5, and 4. So the dimensions of my matrix are, so it's row by column. So there are 3 rows by 4 columns. How many events in May? So if we add up this row, 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4. You can use a calculator if you'd like for the arithmetic. 20. And then track meets, we were going to add the track columns. 2 plus 3 plus 3 is 8. All right, so all of these matrices go for all of these problems. So A plus B, no comma, sorry. We're gonna add matrix A and matrix B. So we add the 0 and the 4. Sorry, it's a habit from vectors that I can't break. Okay, white out. And then 2 plus 5. And if you take a peek back here, it says state the dimensions of all of them. So I'm just gonna do that as I go. This is a 1 row by 2 column. So A times B we go row by column. So row by column, that's not gonna work. The dimensions, remember when you multiply, if this is a 1 by 2, these dimensions have to match for multiplication to work. So this one does not. Let's see what BA is. Still not gonna work. We can do B minus A. So 4 minus 0 and 5 minus 2. That is a 1 by 2. So then for E, we have scalar and then addition. So 2C, I'm gonna take everything in the C matrix and double the value. So 14, 16, 8, and negative 6. And then 3D, I'm gonna multiply everything in the D matrix by 3. And then add up our entries. So 14 plus 27 is 41. 16 plus negative 15 is 1. 8 plus 6 and negative 6 plus 12. And this is a 2 by 2. All right, C minus D. So we're gonna do 7 minus 9, 8 minus negative 5 is 13, 4 minus 2, and negative 3 minus 4. And that is a 2 by 2 again. Let me do G on separate paper. So it's D times C. Let me just make sure I wrote that right. So D times C. So this is a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 2, meaning the middle row, the middle dimensions match, so we can multiply. So here I'm going to show all my work. It's row by column, multiply and add them up. So 9 times 7 plus negative 5 times 4 is the first entry. And then we're gonna do row by column, and that's going to be the first row, second column. So 9 times 8 plus -5 times -3. And then we got to do the bottom row. Row by column, so 2 times 7 plus 4 times 4. And then 2 times 8 plus 4 times -3. So our final answer is going to be a 2 by 2. 9 times 7 plus -5 times 4 is 43. 9 times 8 plus 15 is 87. 14 plus 16 is 14 and 16. And then 2 times 8 plus 4 times -3 is 4. And that is a 2 by 2. All right, H is C times D, which is going to be a different answer because order matters. So C, I'm just recopying it, times D. Okay. It goes row by column. Let's do it this way. 7 times 9 plus 8 times 2 is 79. So 7 times 9, 8 times 2. Then we're going to do that again for the first row, second column. 7 times -5 plus 8 times 4 is -3. Now for the bottom, 4 times 9 plus -3 times 2. And then 4 times -5 plus -3 times 4. So if it helps you, you could color code like row by column, and then this row, this column, and the bottom row, the second column. So you have to be careful with your multiplication. Oh, and that's a 2 by 2. I is A times F. So I'm going to copy those matrices over. A is 0, 2. F is 1, 0, 2, -1, 2, 0. So if I check the dimensions, this is a 1 by 2, and this is a 2 by 3. So see how the 2's match? So that means my final result will be a 1 by 3 because of the 1 and the 3. All right, here we go. Row by column. Row by column. 0 plus -2 is -2. And it's first row, first column. So now it's going to be first row, second column. So 0 plus 4, and then 0 plus 0. So there's our 1 by 3 columns. All right, J is E minus F. Let me see if I can do, oh, okay. So E minus F is not gonna work because their dimensions are not identical. So there's not, so this is 2 columns, but 3 columns, so it's not gonna match up. This one can't work. E times F, let's see. This is a 3 by 2 multiplied by, so times, sorry, dot. 2 by 3, so that's going to work. I'm going to get a 3 by 3, which is going to be big, so let's do that here. E times F is 2, 4, 1, 1, -3, -2, 1, 0, 2, -1, 2, 0. Okay, here we go. Row by column, row by column. And I'm going to get a 3 by 3. So 2 plus -1, 0 plus 2, and 4 plus 0. All right, now the next row. 4 plus 3, 0 plus -6, 8 plus 0. And the last row, 1 plus 2, 0 plus -4, 2 plus 0. And that is a 3 by 3. And then last but not least for L 2A minus 2B. So I'm going to multiply the B matrix by 2. So 0 minus 8, 2 minus 10, and is a 1 by 2. Solve for x and y. So these are equal matrices. So this entry, oh, you can't see that, sorry. Let me move the phone. Okay, these are equal matrices. So the entries have to match. So 2x equals -6, x is -3, negative y is 4, so y is -4. And then for b, let's do, okay, so it's adding. So x plus 5 equals -3. X is -8. Where's the y? Here. So -2 plus y is 7. Y is 9. Multiplying. All right, so if we do the first row, you can pick either column, so let's go with this column. That's gonna get me 58. So 1 times 7 plus 2 times 9 plus x times 11 equals 58. So 7 plus 18 plus 11x is 58. What is 7 plus 18? $25 plus 11x is 58 minus the 25. Divide by 11, and x is 3. Here's the x. All right, so it's row by column. So that's first row, second column. 3 times 9 plus 4 times 7 plus 2 times x is 63. Oh, you can't see that, sorry. 27 plus 28 is 55. Subtract that over. 2x is 8, so x is 4. And now you are done your quiz review.